Hi guys, so happy Friday. Today is January 8th, the last trading day for this week, the first week of year 2021. Let's try to review first PSEI. So as I have said yesterday, we're seeing a double-sided lollipop, or I assume as an extended one because that's what I translate this bullish green candle. So today PSEI rallied up and seems like it's challenging the 7300 levels again, which we previously bounced off. So here you can see it here. Okay, so if the market tries to rally or breaks out by next week, yeah, we're seeing a how to say a better hindsight or insight for our economy. So let's try to screen some stocks that I saw. So let's go for ABA because what do I see here in ABA? So when I see the price action here, we can see, or I am seeing, how to draw that one arc. Okay, we are seeing here one big cup and handle. Okay, so for you guys, cup and handle signifies a lower arc of that trading levels. Then when it bounced off or bounced down that resistance level, we go for a smaller uh downside. So it's just trying to challenge that same resistance level again. Not too long when it bounced down. So last it bounced down was around December 18. So if you're seeing that level, huh? So it seems like it's a significant resistance level. So because we can see here, right? Here, around here. So let's just copy that one. How do I copy that? Can I just copy? Here. Here. Hey. Yeah. Okay. So these are significant support lines and a resistance line. So if you saw this earlier, we can say that you for high risk traders, if they saw the bounce here, you can try to see or enter here, right? Let's just put those indicators here. Okay. So for high risk traders, they usually try to enter here because they are expecting or has analyzed that this will be a cup and handle when it bounces, and seems like if they have predicted that this one is a cup and handle, then they have entered correctly. And if they already want TP, right? So that's a 12 or 13% gain already. So this should be the entry for high risk traders. But there's a big but. If you want confirmation of a breakout or the usual activity of a cup and handle pattern, you have to wait for next Monday, because what we can see, or we should observe the price action if the price will really break out of that cup and handle. But I am seeing an increase in trading volume here, especially an explosive trading volume. increasing trading volume. Trading. So if these patterns continue, we can see that it will break out. So what would happen if it breaks out? If it breaks out, the resistance level should be around here, right? So from this area, we can see that uh, this line that you're seeing right now, it hit this line here, here. Is there another one? Here and here. No, just here. So I would put a psychological resistance line here. Then another one would be around this area. Seems like it hit a lot of points here. Okay, so next area would be around here. This one. Okay, if it breaks out, just remove this one. If it breaks out, this would be your entry. If you're a breakout if you are a breakout trader, entry for breakout trader. Okay, stop loss. I would say the end of the candle here for the stop loss level. Let's try to change this color, since did I change the correct line? Oh no, sorry. Let's make this blue, since you're gaining stuff, right? Blue. Okay, so red for cut loss, blue for gains. RSI level seems like it's still below, not overbought, not oversold, but going up. So this one and this one for the RSI. Hopefully it will not be rejected on that level, since if you try to break out, then you should be seeing one. Then MACD should be a good one. Yeah, it's good. A cup and handle pattern. Then we are seeing a MACD cross here. MACD cross, yeah. Those are like those one of the indicators that if it confluent or try to match up with the patterns, then it's a good sign, right? So okay, let's calculate the risk reward ratio. So if it tries to break out, you can try to enter that candle. You can enter that candle anytime during that one. But if you are a safe play trader, you might want to enter the trade at the end of the day. So for the first TP1, right? TP1. Then just copy that one. TP2. So TP1 and TP2. For the first TP, we have what do you call this? Reward of 9.89%. For the second one, there's 21%. I think the loss, or the reward is better than the risk, right? So 3.5% for cut loss if it tries to bounce down again. So the risk reward ratio seems like a good probability for me. So that's what I am seeing here for Abacor Capital Holdings. So Monday would be a great day to watch out for. Let's try to go and have a look at C. Okay, C. Okay, seems like the EMA 50. This one is EMA 50. This line. And EMA 20 seems like it's kissing that part. So I'm not sure if it go down or it will try to bounce off that EMA 50 line. But price action seems like the candle today broke off or went up to that EMA 50 line. What do I see here? So what I'm currently seeing here is there's a box I want to see. So maybe here to here. I mean, this tip seems like you can just disregard that one. Okay, so this is our playing field. Let's change that color to green. Can I take green? Yeah. Okay, then seems like this is the resistance line. So let's put a horizontal line going there. So for me, seems like this stock is consolidating on the high after rallying up from 3.3 levels going up to 5, so it's playing around 5 to 6. Yeah, so from that rally up, we can see that there has been an increase in trading volume. It went up and down when we have the dip. Then it went up again. So for me, I'm thinking that this is the accumulation part where those institution or big players are buying those dips for those sellers who have tried to pocket their gains. So once they are positioned here, if you want, you can try to enter here. Try to enter here to position. For me, this is a low risk, since we're seeing that that level on the lower half of that box. Okay, so for me that is a lower risk than entering around this area. So we are seeing here, right, going down. It's going down again. Trading volume seems like it went down, then it's trying to gain some traction here. So RSI, this is the RSI levels of those stocks that are currently accumulating, or the big players are positioning themselves before the price explodes or goes out. MACD is, yeah, I'm not seeing anything here, but just a series of higher lows for the MACD levels. We can see here that behavior as well. So this is the lower low, this is the higher low, and that happened when it rallied up. Okay, you can see that it rallied up around August to September. August to September seems like this one rallied up until October. So what else can I say? Okay, let's plot those resistance line and TP. Okay, resistance line or significant, at least significant resistance line seems like it's here. Okay, It's just color blue. I mean, if you positioned here and just want to do the short-term trade, you can TP here, or if the the price action breaks out, you can have your entry here and TP around here, where it seems like it will be bouncing down again, or at least tries to break that level. So after that level, what would be the next significant level? Okay, so I mean, before plotting this one, right, because I have screened this before, you can see here, right, for this horizontal line, let's put that one. We can see a lot of hits. Can I just copy you? Okay, here. No. Then here. Let's remove those lines. Okay. So for those lines, I do have another one here. So those are significant lines. That's why we try to put a resistance line here. So first TP. If you have positioned below, you can TP here. TP1. You can TP here, and next TP would be here if it breaks out. I mean, it depends on what kind of trader you are, but if you try to position yourself here, then if it went up here and you want to see what would happen if it tries to break out, you can put some trail stop here, maybe sell half your position and see how that price action would lead you. If it breaks out, then good, you still have a position. Then if it bounced down, you could try to sell off. I mean, a gain is a gain, right? From what I have read previously, we what's that? You can never realize your gain if you don't sell your positions. Somewhere along that line. So let's calculate the risk reward ratio. Okay, so if you try to enter your position here, okay, reward would be 11%. For the second TP, I would say the reward would be around 23. And we're just only trying to analyze this box here, okay? There's still an area of breakout here, so I would leave that for another time since there are two resistance level here. Cut loss area. Cut loss area, if we have analyzed or tried to see here, maybe around this area, at the low of that previous of the candle today. Put that as red since we are losing there. Okay, expected loss around 3%. So 11 and 23 for a 3% cut loss seems like that is a good risk reward ratio, right? It's there's a bigger upside in entering this trade than losing. So yeah, that's my analysis for sorry, it's C. Is it C? Yeah, C. So let's see. Sorry, I'm corny. So happy trading, guys. Hope you have a great first weekend of trading, and let's see again what happens next week. It's exciting, right?